Hello my dear and beloved subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it right now. My name is Spotty and I have been a wallet in trading for quite a while to share my knowledge with someone else. That's why I created my YouTube channel. Today we'll conduct several successful trades. If you like it, join my YouTube and Telegram channel where I provide a great entry signals. So, I'm going straight for $300 downward trade for 5 minutes of the EUR and GBP currency pair. Currently, there is a clear downward movement of the chart. It's an evident trend above which a resistance line has formed. So the price has already bounced off this line multiplied times in the past, and each time we witnessed a significant reaction. So here was the first instance, then we had the second instance, the reaction for the third instance, and then the fourth instance, and now the price has approached this line for a fourth time. Furthermore, prior to this, the price broke on an important support level at the beginning of this downward trend. Therefore, anticipate that the downward movement will continue now, and we can capitalize on it. So, as you can see, the price initially moved up. Then, it rebounded from the upper boundary and started moving downwards. Currently, the market strongly confirms the downward structure and movement. A new peak has formed here, which is lower than the previous peak. This is a good opportunity to reinforce our position and enter again for $300 downward trade. One more time. Now let's wait. So for a completion of our trade. And on the USD and Japanese currency pair, there are currency strong resistance level breakout happening. This is a very good trading opportunity, so I quickly enter for a 3-minute trade for an upward trade on $300 of the currency pair, USD and Japanese yen. So I want to emphasize again and that the price has broken a very significant resistance level. And right now, the exchange rate should increase and continue to rise for at least 10 minutes. That's why I'm turning for an upward trade right here. We have to wait for another 2.5 minutes for the trade to close. Well, the price starts to rise sharply, just unanticipated, so breakouts of levels work very well. If there are not false breakouts, of course. So, even if you're in such a situation, it's hard to convince yourself to buy at such a high price. But now looking at the green candles, it's evident that the price is moving in my favor, and the trade should close with a profit. So, I expect the price to continue. This is an upward movement. And now let's wait for the completion of all our trades and see how much we will earn. There are only a few seconds left until the trade ends, and it's about to close with a confident profit. The price has been moving in the right direction all this time and has never dropped below the entry points. So this habit of watching the chart while waiting for the trade to complete helped me definitely the breakouts and make a profit. So, and on the EUR and GBP currency pair, my first trade also closed it with a profit. And the second trade, which I opened for reinforcements, it is also about to close with a profit. Well, here's an actual closing at a profit. I made 3 profitable trades in just a few minutes, but I'm still moving on to search for the next opportunities. So, an interesting situation has emerged of EUR and Japanese yen currency pair. The price has been moving in an upward direction for quite some time. In the lower part of this movement, a clear trend line of support has formed. So it's a buying opportunity, so I'm switching to pocket option now, looking for a EUR and Japanese yen currency pair. And I'm preparing to open the trade for $300 for 3 minutes. In addition to the chart reading, the price has also come close to the trend line of support that I marked with a green line. It has also approached the red level of support, which was previously a resistance level. The price bounced off it several times and now it has finally broken that. Most likely, it will bounce off it again to the upside. It can be seen that before racing at this level, the price formed an exciting triangle with actual high and decreasing lows. Now the price will approach the level from the other side for the first time, and I expect a strong reaction form is a strong support zone. So here we go, and I will go for an upward trade for 3 minutes at $300, and I will wait for the price to form a local low here and then go up. Within the 3 minutes we will see some kind of reaction. Perhaps it will be a correction of the downward movement because the price has been falling on a considerable time cautiously with the red candles without any hand and correction. So this correction can also bring me profits, even if the level doesn't hold and the price eventually drops. So let's wait for the completion of the trades. There is 3 seconds left until the end. And the trade is closing in profit, bringing and earnings. It was indeed a corrective movement, but I entered at such low and favorable point that even this small fluctuations had brought in profits, so now I can look for another profitable trade. Meanwhile, I found another exciting situation for a and Japanese currency pair. It's not something to be missed, so I will enter a trade immediately for 5 minutes with $300. And now let me explain why I entered at this particular point. Firstly, the price is at a support line where I entered for an uptrend a minute ago. I expect that the correction will soon turn into a trend. The price will confirm the rise. Additionally, the previous tactical analysis still holds. Back then, I entered with a hope of a strong reaction from the support level. I anticipated that the exchange rate would start rising greatly, but instead I got a slightly delayed upward movement. But still, the rate started to rise. The recent sharp increase in that I wanted to participate in, and the current upward movement has reached about half of the previous impulse, roughly speaking around the 100 Fibonacci level. So now I expect the price to at least reach this level. And the trade is on, and I can wait for completion. Just a few seconds left until the trade is completed, so it happened exactly as I expected, a return to the previous local peak. Today we made a profit 5 times. Incredible results. Thank you for your attention, and I'm delighted that you watched this video so far. If you enjoyed it, I kindly request you to show your support by liking it. Additionally, I encourage you to subscribe to both my YouTube channel and my Telegram channel to stay updated with my content. By joining my community, we can foster friendship and engage in further discussions. I appreciate your support. Bye.